brings a bunch of folks together. We all sit at restaurant tables and we all take 2 minutes introducing ourselves, right? This is what I do, this is what I do. So one of the people at our table says, I'm the executive director of this particular funeral home. Now, when I was a kid growing up, the funeral home director looked like the boss on The Simpsons, right? Kind of decrepit and kind of just that weird vibe that begs to be a funeral person. This woman was 35 years old. And she started talking about the legacy that they're dedicated to their company. When you have surviving, when you've got the departed soul there, we make sure that they can have any celebration they want. We'll coordinate it with others. If you want music, we will make music. If they were a baseball fan, they are going to have baseball memorabilia wherever you want. We cherish the fact that there is a celebration here, even in the darkest. After 2 minutes, I'm like, that is the best presentation of a funeral home I've ever heard. Because we know what goes on in a funeral home. Back room, one's there. That's why they're there. But the front, how they deal with people, made it so fascinating. It made it clear about this. Why we do what we do is so much more interesting than what we do.